Good morning, children. I am B. Madhavi, working as PGT Botany in Telangana State Model School Junior College, Nellikuduru, Mahabubabad district. Now, I want to discuss a few points about the lymphatic system. So, all of you know what is blood. In human beings, the blood consists of the plasma as well as WBC, RBC and nutrients, vitamins, enzymes. And you know that how the blood is transported in our body. And now I want to tell what is a capillary. Capillary is nothing but in circulatory system we can see veins as well as arteries. Arteries will supply the pure blood, veins will supply the impure blood. And whenever if it is a vein, it transforms into an artery. How? In between there are so many capillaries are present. These capillaries will transport the blood from veins to arteries. And in between, whenever here we can see some liquids will come out from these. While transforming the veins into arteries or overall supply in the transportation system, some of the liquids may ooze outside and they will travel through the pipeline like structures known as lymph vessels. If we observe in the human body, we can see these are all lymph nodes. So lymph nodes, and they comes under the system known as lymphatic system, which is a system parallel to the transportation system. Here what are being transported? The remaining amount of materials which are not being distributed through the capillaries, through the veins, through the arteries will come and accumulate in the lymphatic system. And we can see what is lymph. Lymph means water. In Latin, the meaning of lymph is water. So this, whenever we are traveling for a long distances, especially in old people, their legs will swell. How they are swelling? The water is accumulated in the feet. Sometimes it may accumulate in the hands. So that we call edema. Where it is occurring? It is occurring in the lymphatic system. That means what I want to tell you is, in transportation system, not only heart, veins, arteries, there is some other liquid called lymph is also present. This lymph is present overall the body. Here we can see here and there, mostly the nodes. The lymph nodes are nothing but they are specially made, arranged transportatory system in which more accumulation of WBC, white blood corpuscles. These WBC are more in the body, behind the ears and in the neck regions they are present more. This lymphatic system is present all over the body, and these lymph vessels, here each and every part, each and every cell of the body, whether it is head, whether it is ears or hands or overall the body, all the systems, all the legs, everything, they have the vessels, lymph vessels. These lymph vessels have the walls. That means the lymph, the colorless lymph will be supplied to the veins through the walls and the pipe-like structures. This overall will combine called as the lymphatic system. So whenever the blood is transported, it is being transported by the veins as well as arteries by the heart, and because of diffusion some of the liquid will come outside, some of the fat molecules, some of the nutrients will be coming, and they are big in size, fat molecules are big in size, they will be supplied through the lymphatic system to the overall the body. Okay, so this lymphatic system is parallel to the transportation system. So here what I want to tell you is nothing but here along with the RBC, WBC and also transportation of veins, arteries, there is another system, parallel system known as lymphatic system is present in the human beings. This lymph nothing but water. So in Latin the lymph means water, and this whenever we sit for so long distances, whenever and in inactive persons also, that means who is not walking properly and maybe due to their professions, they may get the edema. Edema is nothing but accumulation of water over the legs, and this how to overcome it, how to get more circulation, how to overcome the such situation known as edema, by being actively doing the walking, the exercises like walking or yoga, and these are to be preferred. So here the heart is being connected by veins and arteries, so the transportation can be done easily by heart. So how does this lymph can be transported? By the active physical activities. So one person should be actively they have to perform the physical activities, otherwise the water may accumulate in the legs and the condition called edema can be seen. So this is also one particular system is present, and here the lymph nodes which are present, they have more WBC, they will be affected more whenever an parasite or any other virus or bacteria enters into the body. This lymph system will fight with that and will kill it. Okay.